For most young people, using social media is an important way to relax, keep in touch with friends, be entertained or even inspired. Sometimes, adults can make you feel guilty about how much time you spend online and focus on the risks without considering the good parts. But research shows that if you're not spending hours and hours on social media and it isn't affecting your sleep, homework or friendships, you probably don't need to worry too much about your screen time. There are some easy steps you can take to make your social media use work best for you. Here are 5 quick tips to get you started. 1. Privacy settings are really important. Taking care of privacy settings can help you avoid being contacted by strangers. It also means that if you share content online, you're sharing only with close friends who you know won't be judging you. Sharing content with friends can be a good way to express yourself, but if it doesn't make you feel good, don't share it. Remember not to judge others too. Before leaving a comment online, think about how it's going to make the other person feel. 2. Try not to judge how good a friend someone is by how quickly they reply to a message or like your post. It's more important to have friends you trust and respect. Try not to be offended if someone doesn't reply straight away to a message. Think about turning off the read receipt function on WhatsApp or Snapchat so you don't focus on when a message has been read. This can help stop you getting too caught up with worrying about you or your friends being available online all the time. 3. Using social media to send messages to friends can be a great way to keep in touch outside of school, but sending too many messages can make other people and yourself feel overwhelmed and stressed. It's not always easy to tell how someone is feeling over text, and sometimes people can feel upset if they don't understand what you're trying to say. If you're worried about this, it's probably best to talk it through face to face. 4. It's a good idea to learn about algorithms. When you search for, view or like content on YouTube, Instagram or somewhere else, apps use this information to suggest similar content they think you might like. This is useful if you're looking at football or listening to music. If you're looking at something negative, it can be tricky to avoid that kind of thing popping up on your feed afterwards. 5. Be mindful of the content you're looking at and try to follow accounts that show real life and make you feel good. A lot of people will either edit their pictures or spend a long time choosing the best ones to share. It's not always realistic to compare how you look to someone else online. The same goes for likes. It can be tempting to share content you think will get as many likes as possible, but do you really need them? People who rely on likes to feel good about themselves are under a lot of pressure to keep it up. Think about changing your settings so you don't see other people's likes and views. Following these tips can help you get the most out of social media while keeping stress levels down.